Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated heavy-duty adventure vehicles, the 2026 Scania Mountain Rider 6x6 truck motorhome. This beast is designed for those who crave off-grid living without sacrificing luxury or performance. Whether you're a hardcore overlander or just love cutting-edge automotive tech, this review has something for you. Let's break it down. The Scania Mountain Rider 6x6 is a head-turner with its rugged yet sleek design. Built on Scania's proven heavy-duty chassis, it features a reinforced steel frame and a modular aluminum body, making it both lightweight and incredibly durable. The 6x6 configuration ensures unmatched traction on any terrain, from rocky mountain trails to sandy deserts. The motorhome's exterior includes integrated LED lighting, a winch, and a roof rack for extra storage. The high ground clearance and all-terrain tires hint at its go-anywhere capability. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious luxury apartment on wheels. The interior boasts high-quality materials like leather upholstery, hardwood finishes, and premium insulation for extreme climates. The layout includes a full kitchen with an induction cooktop, fridge, and microwave, a dining area that converts into a bed, and a separate bathroom with a shower and composting toilet. The driver's cab is ergonomic, with a digital dashboard, advanced infotainment system, and heated seats. Large panoramic windows offer stunning views while maintaining energy efficiency. Under the hood, the Mountain Rider packs Scania's latest turbocharged diesel engine, rumored to deliver around 500 horsepower and a staggering 1,800 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 12-speed automated transmission, this setup ensures smooth power delivery, whether you're crawling over boulders or cruising on the highway. The 6x6 drivetrain features locking differentials and adjustable air suspension, allowing you to tackle the toughest terrains with ease. Expect a top speed of around 90 miles per hour, though fuel efficiency will vary based on load and terrain. For those who prefer hybrid or electric support, Scania is expected to offer an optional hybrid powertrain with a high-capacity battery pack. This system will allow short-range electric-only driving, ideal for silent, emission-free camping. The battery can be charged via regenerative braking, solar panels on the roof, or standard plug-in charging. While full specs aren't confirmed yet, early reports suggest a fast charging capability that can top up the battery in under 2 hours. The Mountain Rider is built for adventure, so it comes loaded with off-road goodies like a central tire inflation system, underbody armor, and a built-in air compressor. Safety isn't overlooked either, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and advanced stability control. The motorhome also includes a fire suppression system and reinforced doors for added security in remote areas. Now, the big question: how much will this monster cost? Estimates suggest a starting price of around $450,000, with fully loaded models crossing $600,000. That's a hefty sum, but for a self-sufficient all-terrain home on wheels, it's competitive in the premium overlanding market. Scania is expected to unveil the production model in late 2025, with deliveries starting in early 2026. The 2026 Scania Mountain Rider 6x6 truck motorhome is a dream machine for adventurers who refuse to compromise. With its brutal off-road capability, luxurious interior, and cutting-edge tech, it's set to redefine overlanding. Sure, it's not cheap, but for those who want the ultimate freedom on wheels, it might just be worth every penny. What do you think? Would you take this beast on a global adventure? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth vehicle reviews. See you in the next video.